reactions, you can say every organic reactions with a proper mechanism. And today in this cheerful morning we are going to start our 10th reaction, that is dose process. First we see main points for this reaction. Main points. You should note down. In very first main point of the reaction, this is industrial method for preparation of phenol. That means in this reaction we have to prepare phenol. Phenol is prepared with help of chlorobenzene. That means from this step you can easily understood this is our reactant molecule and this is our product molecule. How chlorobenzene convert into phenol, we will first a simple reaction, after that we will move to mechanism. And in second step, reaction takes place in presence of sodium hydroxide. As you all know, that is NaOH. For this reaction, temperature and pressure condition must be satisfied by our reaction progress. Temperature should be 673 Kelvin and pressure must be 300 atm. Okay, you can take screenshot for the main points of the reaction, and after that we will move to mechanism. Now reaction which is given in your NCERT book. In NCERT book there is no mention of name of the process. Simple reaction is given. First we write chlorobenzene in presence of sodium hydroxide, 673 Kelvin, 300 atm, pressure you have to take. Formation of phenoxide ion, O negative, Na positive. Phenoxide, as sodium is here, you can write down this is sodium phenoxide ion. Okay, on hydrolysis of this phenoxide ion, there will be formation of phenol molecule. Hydrolysis we can take HCl or H positive and H2O. These both you can take, or from these two one you can take for process of hydrolysis. Okay, now we will move to reaction mechanism. You have to focus chlorobenzene when treated with sodium hydroxide, formation of sodium phenoxide ion, and when sodium phenoxide undergoes hydrolysis, formation of phenol molecule. We will see every step how phenoxide ion formed, and from phenoxide ion how hydrolysis takes place in reaction mechanism. Now in very first of the reaction I am telling you how chlorobenzene is formed. From benzene, this is a simple aromatic substitution reaction. Benzene when treated with Cl2 or with Cl2 you can take any Lewis acid. Here I can take Fe and AlCl3. We will also discuss this mechanism mechanism. This is very interesting and you have to focus on each and every step. Mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism. In mechanism you have to focus on type of arrows and you have to check electrophilicity and nucleophilicity of the molecule. I am telling you, in this reaction mechanism we will form a particular type of intermediate. How particular type of intermediate, that is benzene, is formed in this reaction. First I am taking our reactant molecule, that is chlorobenzene. Here I can represent this hydrogen atom in presence of sodium hydroxide, or you can take basic medium. This is Na positive and this is OH negative. That means hydroxide ion will be generated from this mixture. This is aqueous NaOH. You can say this is a fuming sodium hydroxide. Base. What is the work of base here? Base can abstract the proton, but here question arises, why base abstract this proton only? Because this proton is nearby this chlorine atom and chlorine is electron withdrawing in nature. It will increase its acidic nature. So removal of this hydrogen atom can be done very proper way. This hydrogen and this hydrogen both are same, as both are on the ortho position of the chlorobenzene. That's why I am abstracting this proton. Base has the tendency to abstract the proton. Proton, that means H positive, shift electron density to carbon atom, removal of water molecule. Base abstract the proton, shift electron density to next carbon atom, removal of water molecule from this step. This you can write down. This is step 1. Now we are reaching to our next of the molecule. What will be formed? Removal of water molecule and electron density shift to carbon atom, generation of negative charge here, and no reaction takes place at this carbon and this carbon respectively. That means bond formation same here, and here is chlorine. As you all know, chlorine is a good living group, thereby it will remove from the system and it will leave from the benzene group. Formation of, focus on this step, removal of Cl minus and generation of which type of molecule, that is this one. Same type of bonding is here, as no reaction takes place here. As Cl is leaving the system, this is very important step, how benzene is formed, because in this step our intermediate is forming. Focus on this step, check carefully. This is our negative charge electron density, shift to this carbon atom, removal of chlorine group. Chlorine will remove from the system, it will leave the group. It is very good living group because after leaving it is stabilized. Formation of this one, and this is our benzene. Benzene intermediate. This is highly reactive in nature. If chlorine is leaving from the system, it is leaving as it is a good living group, then this is negative charge electron density, and if chlorine is leaving with its electron, then formation of positive charge here. Positive negative will form another kind of bond, that is triple bond in this molecule, which make this molecule very interesting in this reaction mechanism. Now, as fuming NaOH is taken in the reaction mechanism, we again react this benzene molecule with sodium hydroxide. It is highly reactive in nature, shift electron density to carbon atom and generation of this molecule. This is negative charge and this will form this kind of system. As electron density shift to this carbon atom, that's why it will gain positive charge. This will gain positive charge and this is positive and this is negative. This will attack on this carbon atom, generation of this type of molecule, you can say. I am again telling you, I am repeating this step. As benzene is highly reactive in nature, intermediate benzene is formed during this reaction progress. This is reactive, shift electron density to carbon atom. If it shifts electron density to carbon atom, generation of positive charge here and electrophilicity is generated. Therefore, it will attack on this positive charge system, generation of formation of this type of molecule. Now in this molecule, transfer of proton transfer takes place and it will converted into O negative as H will leave from the system and H positive, that is proton transfer takes place, and this is very fast step. This is hydrogen and Na positive is in the system, generation of O negative Na positive, that is your phenoxide ion. Now we are reaching to our last step of the reaction. This is our reaction progress, this is our reaction mechanism. Now last step is our hydrolysis. Here you can write, this is our step 2. You can make step 1 and step 2 by your own choice. That is HCl acidification, you can say. Acidification. This is H positive and this is Cl negative. Thereby NaCl will remove from the system and formation of phenol molecule, which is your desired product, phenol. So in this way, chlorobenzene converted into phenol via benzene as a intermediate. This is very simple reaction mechanism. Hope so for you all understood well, and you have to more and more practice on your notebook. There will be minimum and minimum error in your exam. I am again repeating within 1 minute. This is your chlorobenzene. Base will abstract the proton, shift electron density to next carbon atom. Generation of this type of carbanion molecule. Here chlorine is a good leaving group. It will leave the system and formation of benzene as an intermediate. Benzene is very reactive in nature. Shift electron density to carbon atom. Positive charge generated here. Base, it will attack on this electrophilic center. Generation of this molecule and it will abstract the proton. Proton abstraction takes place. Formation of phenoxide ion, which is very stabilized via resonance, and after own acidification, generation of phenol molecule. Okay, this reaction is very helpful in your conversion process. How will you convert this molecule into this? And we will also do all conversions after finishing our reaction mechanism of all name reactions. Okay, hope so for you all satisfied with this mechanism. If you have any doubt behind this mechanism, you can comment me in comment section. Okay friends, thank you very much.